In this video, I will tell you the best Discord Nitro promotions that are currently going on right now. The first one is tracker.gg. I have already made a video on this, but the company has made some changes. Firstly, it's expiring on June 16th. All you need to do is make an account on tracker.gg. Then go to Home tab, simply scroll down, and click View All in Checkpoint section. Now you just gotta scroll down until you find free Nitro. I will tell you what the changes are here. Firstly, you had to have 1 month tracker.gg account, but now there's no such criterion. All you gotta do is connect your game with tracker.gg, the games that this app supports. Then the XP bar in green color will appear on top of the screen. You will get your free Nitro when that bar is full. So yeah, you just gotta keep playing the game. Just like every other promotion, you shouldn't have had Nitro for the past 12 months. This also applies to the future Nitro promotions that I will explain. The second last easiest free Nitro is from GearUP collaboration. GearUP is rival to tracker.gg. They both are competitors in the gaming industry. You just need to go to its page and download the GearUP on your Windows PC. Yes, this thing is not available for MacBooks and phone. After doing that, you will find the free Nitro banner on its homepage. Just click that. You should be able to get your free Nitro. This will require payment methods. Now comes the easiest free Nitro promotion. It's from Epic Games. I have posted this before, and many people have doubts regarding this about their payment method. But before, just go to its search bar, type Discord Nitro, add your birth date, and then create an account, or just log in. After that, click Get Nitro. You will receive the link in your email. Now this one requires credit card, debit card, or PayPal to claim your free Nitro. If you don't have those, that's fine too. Because now, we will use an approach that don't require payment method. Just go to Discover tab, shop, and then search for Nitro if it's not on the home page. Here you can get your free Nitro by exchanging 1,400 orbs. You will get 3 days Nitro without adding any payment method. This is the most safest and easiest way. So let me know in the comments about which method you tried to get free Nitro. I would love to hear your methods. I know this doesn't give you 3 months free Nitro on your one account, but if you have 3 different accounts, that works too. Anyway, if you love this video, hit the like and subscribe button.